Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to lighten dark elbows and dark knees. I get so many requests for this, and I know a lot of times we just want them light and blended. So I'm going to be showing you some DIY ingredients to instantly lighten your elbows and knees at home, naturally and safe. Real quick before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button for more videos, and check out all my goodies down below, like some free secrets on my website, my $10 ebook with a ton of beauty hacks, and so much more. So first, starting off with some pure honey. Pure honey is so amazing for lightening dark areas, especially elbows and knees. Since they are very dry, you always want to have a nourishing, naturally hydrating product, and this works perfect blended with the other ingredients. So the next ingredient is a given, which is lemon. People have been using lemon juice to naturally lighten their skin for years. It is high concentration of vitamin C and antioxidants that actually help reduce melanin in the skin for areas such as knees and elbows, as well as lighten any hyperpigmentation. And I love my little lemon squeezer. I'll link it down below so you guys can get it too. It makes such a difference. So next up is some baking soda. You guys know I love my baking soda, and all it is sodium bicarbonate. Now I've been using this for years to lighten dark areas, but if it's too harsh for you, I recommend substituting that with some white flour instead. I will link everything down below. And then after I show you the DIY, I highly recommend some kind of Aftercare, and I just re-got this vitamin C serum. I got a few because shipping takes a while, but it is my favorite skin white brightening skin serum. I get mine from theibizaglow.com, and it is just the best serum ever. So now let's get started in making this mixture so we can finally lighten up our elbows and knees and have everything just look cohesive. So once you have all your ingredients together, it's super simple to make this mixture, but the order you do it is obviously important, and then how you apply it and how long you leave it on is important. So I'm going to be sharing you step by step what I do. So first, I go ahead and cut open the lemon. You only need half of a lemon, half of the lemon juice. I go ahead and put it in my little squeezer and squeeze half the lemon juice into the bowl. Once you have the lemon juice, it is time to add the baking soda. Now this is definitely going to be like a science experiment. I used to put it into the honey, but I don't know. I can't tell which one is better yet. I feel like I just go back and forth, but when you do it like this, it creates this foam. It really activates the baking soda, and I feel like it just makes it work the best, but you do have to wait till that foam subsides a little bit. After the foam relaxes and chills out, it's time to add about 2 tablespoons of the honey. This is what's really going to just nourish and bring everything together, and you want to go ahead and give that a really good mix, because then we are actually going to go back in with about 4 more tablespoons of the baking soda. Remember, you guys, if you have sensitive skin, go ahead and just use some flour instead, or you can use half parts baking soda, half parts flour. Just do whatever makes your skin feel the best, but for me, my elbows and knees are so not sensitive that this just brightens them up super quick. So once it turns into this like honey milky color and kind of watery consistency, it is time to apply it onto your elbows or your knees. I definitely recommend using some sort of face mask brush. This one is just from e.l.f. I'll link it down below. I'll actually link everything down below from this video. And then I just like to kind of paint it on the dark spots of my elbows and knees. As you guys can see, my elbows are a little dark, but not super dark because I've been using this mixture so much. And a huge hack I like to do is take a paper towel, dip it into the mixture to absorb the rest of that liquid, and then go in and grab that absorbed baking soda, like infused baking soda I should say, and then put it on your elbow like a paste for the third layer at this point. But don't worry, you don't even have to do this too often for it to work. It works after like the 3rd or 4th time. And then after I do that, I take the paper towel and just hold it on my elbow for like 5-10 minutes, but overall you want to keep this mixture on for 15 minutes in total. And after 15 minutes goes by and it's looking like this, I just like to wipe it away with some warm water, like a warm towel, warm paper towel, and then it is time to finish it off with the Aftercare. So I am obsessed with this vitamin C serum, you guys. I go through it like crazy. Like I said, I order a bunch of it now because it does take a little long for shipping, and I like to put about 4 drops onto my elbow and really just let my skin absorb it, get it bright, get it light, get it looking nice. And I also like to use bio oil if I ever run out of the vitamin C serum, even though I think the vitamin C serum works the best, but this is a great alternative. I'll link it down below from Amazon, so I will have those links below as well. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and comment I finished if you are hearing me say this right now, so I can show you so much love. And thank you again for watching. Mwah.